Morning YouTubers, welcome back to the Greens Adventures channel. This morning's a bit of a strange one really. When we checked in at Sawsum Beach, we found out they were doing some renovation works and the laundrette, the washing machine laundrette area was taken out of use. So this morning me and Annette are on our travels to find a laundrette. Yeah, what a nightmare. So we're going to take you along with a bit of a strange blog. It's not to restaurants or food or anything, it's a laundrette. And we found two, so we just have to take you along with us and see which one we can get to and which one's nearest. Alright. Well, we actually got the taxi and it's dropped us at, what do you call it? Shopping centre. I know it if I hear it. Yeah. Well, not only do we get scooters knocking us over, we've got four things. Look at that. Pure laziness, that. Pure laziness. Well, nice toilet there. No, it could be around here. It says so. I need to ask. We need to ask. Nope. Don't know. Nope. Pretty big. I didn't realise it was this big. Huh? No. No. Don't know. Strange. Are they shops up there? Oh well, coming to the end, so let's have a look, see what else we get and where we get to. Well, we welcome back viewers again. Just carrying on from the last vlog we started regarding the laundrette, the laundry room. I've actually found one, and it's a San Antonio, is it? Something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it anyway. Shopping centre. It's right above the Mercadona hypermarket or supermarket. As you can see, I'll pan you around so you can see exactly where we are. And basically, Apple Works Dino or Mercadona shop is just down below the laundrette. The laundrette, you can actually drop your stuff off in lockers, and you'll get a service wash done, and come back and open your locker, and your washing will be done for you to pick up. Now, here we actually go into the laundrette, and as you can see, there's quite a few washing machines, and we've gone for the €6 one. It's quite simple. You don't need to put any powder in. It's already in the machine. So basically, put your euros in and washing in, euros in, and away you go. And it just takes 30 minutes. You can also pay by card if you need to for using the washing machine as well. Gives you simple instructions up there. on how to use the washing machines and change the temperatures and whatnot. One good thing there's actually seating area outside, so you can actually sit outside. And when we got here, it was open, so I presume it's open from about 8 o'clock in the morning, straight through till, oh, is it 6? Yeah, and that says it's open from 6 in the morning. And it's open, open from 6. Oh, sorry, yeah. Anyway, just pan you around, they've got opening time. Yeah, these are your lockers are from 8 till 10. So I presume it'll be open for washing from 8 in the morning till 10 at night, and it's a pretty easy location to get to. It's clean, it's tidy, and yeah, not much more you can say about a laundrette. But like I say, viewers, it is a strange vlog, but I say we did need to get some washing done. So anyway, onward and upwards, as they say. And so just one last thing, the boys are at the pool, so it was only a 5-minute taxi drive around here, so not too bad. So I'll catch you on the next one, and I hope it's been you found this vlog useful.